It's time for another mail day with BeardedTinker. We'll be right back in 10 seconds. Let's get started with the first package. And we have here a selection of the pins and pin headers. I bought these for QuinLED project, as a lot of other stuff I did buy and I opened previously, and probably this time too. This is a good package because there are various colors, and I can then match colors of the pins with the colors of the pin headers. Let's check out the web listing. And this is the web listing for the pin header connectors and jumpers. I bought it from EasyUsing official store. The store has a rating of 99.2%, and this package contains 40 pins or pin strips and 40 jumpers. I think it costs $2.81 and it has a free shipping to Croatia. Let's check the reviews. It's 5 out of 5 stars. One thing you have to note when you're buying pin headers, of course, if you don't know that, is the distance between the headers. So this one has distance of 2.54 millimeters between each header. Also, just as information for those that do not know, you can of course cut this strip or break it down to as many pins as you need for your soldering or your project. Let's check out the next item. Let's open up the second package. I have to be careful. It's very sharp and I don't know what's inside. Okay. Oh, well, this is for another project. I think they are, it's not written here. I'll have to check web listing again. But those will be used as a for my power supply project. I will be making my own power supply, and these will be used to regulate voltages and amps for the power supply, for the output. Another project on my to-do list. Let us check the web listing. Here is the web listing for potentiometers. Store name is FXI Electronics Co. And I think I bought 10k ohm, so it's $1 a lot, and a lot is 5 pieces. You get everything you need for installation, so you get nut and the spacer. I still haven't checked the potentiometer, if it's right or not. I will do that later. There are a lot of customer reviews and the rating is 4.9 out of 5 stars. And third package for today. What are these? Oh yeah, of course. Okay, also for the QuinLED project. Those are used for power conversion, since QuinLED project can operate on both 15 and 12 volts depending on what type of the LEDs you are using, and the selection based on the pin headers. These are used to control the power output and regulate between the 5 and 12 voltages needed for the LEDs, and on the other side for the ESP32 and 8266 that need a lower voltage to operate. Okay, nice. So those voltage regulators were bought from Shenzhen IC Station Co. Limited Company something. Rating is for the store 98.6%. So as I said, this is the voltage regulator. Since the QuinLED board can be supplied from 5 to 12 volts, it drops down the voltage to the 5 volts needed for the ESP32 and ESP8266. Only 6 customer reviews, and rating is 5 out of 5 stars. Only 12 orders. The cost of the item is $1.24, and the shipping is 35 cents. I think I got on some discount. It was a little bit less than that, and I bought 5 of those for my 5 QuinLED boards. Let's open the 4th package for today. Okay. Let me just check. I hope this can be used too. HD74 HCT 125P. These are not the ones that are recommended for the QuinLED project once again, but I think those are the good enough substitutes. I'm not that good into electronics, sorry, I'm just a poor salesman. But I think that those are either logic shifters or something like that, but I have to check documentation for this IC and see what really it is. It's 10 pieces, I only need 5 of them, so I have 5 more in stock for possibly some more projects. Let's check the web listing. Agu Haisa Chinese chip store with rating 96.3% is the store where I bought those logic lever shifters or something, but please do be careful because they do list here this part number, which is the part number or part number I needed, but you get the one with the P at the end. It shouldn't be that big issue, more or less, but there are some differences in the IC properties. Customer reviews are 4.7 out of 5, and I think that a lot of them are saying that they received P version instead of N version, so probably the rating is low because of that. And this is 5th and last package for today. Big envelope 4. Okay, this will be interesting to open. And I really have no idea what the listing was. Oh, I know. Okay, it's really nicely packed, but I did cut through the back. No problem. Okay, this is also for the QuinLED project. These are the fuse holders. So this project uses the fuses the same that are in the car, the same type that are in the car, and it's really great idea to the bag is cut. It's really great idea from the author of this project, because then you can sacrifice, of course, the fuse and protect your electronics from some power surge or whatever.
And also you can choose the fuse type depending on the load you will be using and the power you'll be providing for this QuinLED board and LEDs. Let's check the web listing.
Jianhua Liao store with 100% positive feedback is a place where I bought those fuse holders. As I said, those are car fuse holders, but also they are designed to be mounted on PCB, so that's great. As you can see, this is how you put the fuses inside, either smaller one or bigger ones. I think I'll be using bigger ones because I have them lying around. Price for the 5 pieces was $6.98 or $6.98 with the free shipping to Croatia. Customer rating is 5 out of 5 stars. Yeah, I will see when I put my first fuse in if it fits or not.
And this is it for today's Mail Day with BeardedTinker. I will see you again in 2 weeks, probably, if I have enough packages to open. And also I will be recording when all the components come, both me trying to solder the QuinLED, and after that trying to hook it up with the Home Assistant, and of course me doing my own power supply for the workbench. Well, I have to get my workbench first. Well, no worries, I will think of something. Thank you for watching once again. If you still haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you have any kind of a comment or a question, please leave it down in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video, press a like. Have fun, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.